What's up, guys? Shane Stars here. I'm here in San Francisco with Samsung at Galaxy Unpacked, and I just finished up some early hands-on time with the new S26 lineup. The base S26 is bringing plenty of new features this year: a larger 6.3-inch display, a redesigned vertical camera bump with a sleek new translucent deco, a bigger 4300 mAh battery, faster charging speeds, and the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 for Galaxy under the hood. But the most exciting part has to be the updates to AI. These are my top 5 new AI features on the Galaxy S26. Let's go ahead and get started. All right, let's take a quick break because I want to talk about something that pairs perfectly with a phone as powerful as the S26. Today's sponsor is Charmask, Amazon's #1 bestseller, leading the cell phone portable power banks category with nearly 20,000 reviews and a 4.5-star rating. So they sent over 2 of the most convenient portable power banks that I've ever come across. Let's start with my favorite feature on these power banks. They share one feature that I think is genuinely a game changer. Both the 20,000 mAh and the 10,000 mAh versions have 4 built-in charging cables right on the unit. You get USB, USB-C, Lightning, and micro USB. No more digging through your bag looking for the right cable. No more borrowing a stranger's charger. Everything you need is already there. That alone puts these in a different category. Now, both of these are also incredibly slim. They're slim enough to toss in your backpack, and both the 20,000 and 10,000 mAh versions can even slide into your pocket. These don't feel like chunky power bricks. They actually feel like something that you would want to carry around. Both units also have a digital display that shows you exactly how much battery is left from 0 to 100%, which means there's no more guessing, no more charging your devices for an hour and wondering if it's even working. You always know exactly where you stand. Both of these support charging up to 6 devices at the same time, so whether you're traveling with family or just have a lot of gear, nobody's waiting around for a port to open up. Let's talk about how they differ. The 10,000 mAh version gives you up to 2 to 3 full phone charges with 3 amp output, making it a great everyday carry for your phone, your earbuds, or even a portable gaming device. The 20,000 mAh version is the powerhouse. We're talking 4 to 5 full phone chargers and at 22.5 watt PD fast charging output. That means it's compatible with pretty much any phone on the market. And yes, I can even charge my MacBook Pro with this slim power bank. This will get most phones to 50% in just 30 minutes with that fast 22.5 watt charging. Links to both of these top-of-the-line power banks are in the description below. If you want the most convenient power bank that you can carry, Charmask has you covered. All right, let's get back to the S26. We'll kick things off with one of the most fun and creative upgrades Samsung brought to the S26 this year, and that's Photo Assist. Now, if you've used Photo Assist before, you already know it's been a great tool, but Samsung has taken it to a whole new level with natural language prompts, and it feels like a completely different feature. Instead of navigating through menus and tools, you can simply tell your phone what you want. For instance, here I was able to ask it to fill in the missing cake on a birthday photo, and it was able to do just that. The results are clean, realistic, and genuinely impressive, but here's where it gets really interesting. You can now pull images directly from the internet and incorporate them into your photos. During my hands-on time, I actually searched for a Bucks jersey online and swapped shirts with someone in one of the photos, and just like that, it changed the shirt in real time. No desktop editing software, no third-party apps, just your S26 and a simple prompt. Up next is a seriously useful feature, especially for business, and that's the revamped AI document scanner. Samsung took what was already a useful tool and gave it a serious upgrade. We've all been there. You need to scan an important document, but the lighting isn't perfect. There's a crease running down the middle, or even worse, you capture a finger in the photo. In the past, that meant rescanning or just living with an imperfect result. But with the new AI document scanner on the S26, it can automatically detect and remove creases, shadows, and even stray fingers from your scans, delivering a clean, professional-looking result every time. And Samsung didn't stop there. You can now export multiple documents together as a single PDF file. During my hands-on time, this feature worked remarkably well. What came out looked like it had been scanned on a dedicated Office scanner. Next up is a feature that I think is underrated and one that you're going to find yourself using more than you expect, and that's the new and updated audio eraser. It's not a new feature on Samsung devices, but what is new on the S26 is how far Samsung has expanded it. Audio eraser now works across third-party apps like Netflix, YouTube, and more. What that means in practice is that you can now actively remove or reduce unwanted background noise. Instead of cranking up the volume or relying on closed captions, your S26 can intelligently isolate and clean up the audio so that you're able to catch every word. Next up is the AI call screening, and Samsung's made some really meaningful upgrades here. They go well beyond what we've seen before. If you're anything like me, unknown calls can definitely be an immediate source of frustration. With the S26, when an unknown call comes in, AI will automatically answer it, ask the caller for their name and the reason for calling, and then route it to you so that you can decide whether to pick it up or not. That alone is a huge time saver, but Samsung went a step further with the S26. The S26 can also analyze the call in real time to detect spoofed or spam callers before they even reach you. So not only is AI screening your calls, it's actively protecting you from bad actors that are trying to deceive you. And one thing that I really liked is that all transcribed content becomes fully searchable. So if you need to go back and find a specific call where someone gave you an address, a confirmation number, or some other detail, you can search for it just like you would a text message, which is definitely a handy feature. The most exciting new AI feature on the Galaxy S26 has to be Agentic AI. Samsung has introduced Agentic AI starting with Uber. Instead of opening an app, searching for your destination, selecting a ride type, and going through the whole booking process yourself, you simply instruct Gemini to book a ride for you. From there, AI gets to work entirely on its own in the background. You can put your phone down, go about your day, then it alerts you when your ride is ready. Of course, before anything is booked, the AI will always confirm the price with you, and you can take control of the process at any time. And Uber is just the beginning. Agentic AI is coming to other apps like DoorDash, Instacart, and more down the road. The idea of being able to delegate everyday tasks to your phone and have them handled automatically in the background is something that we've been kind of dreaming about for decades. And the S26 is actually making it a reality. And there you have it. Those are my top 5 new AI features on the Galaxy S26. Pre-orders kick off today, February 25th, and the S26 officially launches March 11th. Make sure that you use my exclusive affiliate link in the description for the best possible prices and incentives during the pre-order period. That about wraps it up for this video. Thanks guys for watching. Be blessed, and I'll see you in the next one.